waiting for you. I've been waiting for you all this while. Now you are here. Hug me, baby, with your dog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something different like we normally used to do, but we decided to take a break. Anyway, before the drama starts, hey boss, hey let me just start normal. Talk normal. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BEAUTYARTIST SELIN. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit your notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, hey boss, hey baby girls, how you guys doing? Yeah, today I'm back with another video that will interest you as well, that we used to do it sometime, but we decided to take a break. Okay, today we are going to be doing a trial haul from random brands, if that makes sense. Yeah, random item from different brands. This item I'm going to be showing you today, I got them before the quarantine, before the lockdown, so they are lying in my closet and shouting, mama, I want to be shown on the camera. I said, calm down baby girl, I'm so busy. So today I just had to, you know, let her flow, let her drop like a tap, you know what I mean? So today I'm going to be showing you all the, I think it's 4 items I'm going to be showing you, or 3 if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, I got from H&M, I got from OVS, and unfortunately they have closed. The one beside me have closed down, period. I don't know why, don't ask me, don't come for me. Okay, H&M, OVS, and SHEIN, and enjoy. Bear in mind, I'm loving all the items that I got like nobody concerned. You know how we used to do it. Okay, so grab a cup of water. Water is super healthy for your system, right? Trust me, it helps a lot to calm your nerves. You don't need a chill pill sometimes. You just drink some cold chill water, like water, not water. What am I even speaking? Calm down. I'm so excited. I know because I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself? People, I'm feeling myself. Yes, that is how we are going to be doing today. Alright, so guys, grab a cup of water, chill with this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Alright, as always, I'm going to see you at the end of the video. Stick around and enjoy. Okay. Voila, this is the first outfit. And yeah, before, this was one of my favorite. Not that I don't like it, just that I don't like the cuts. As you can see, the cut is super weird, and I just had to use maybe kind of a pin, fashion pin, secure pin, so it can look beautiful on the booby area. Other than that, guys, I'm into this dress, like seriously. Reason being, I love the color, it's a combo color, and I also love the fit. It's not super tight. And this one is from H&M. I'm starting from H&M first, and it's in small, and it was $29.99. You can't go wrong, you can complain. And at the back area, it has this kind of little slit at the back. I hope you can see it properly. Wow, super beautiful. And I love it that because it's not super tight, it's not super snuggy. When I'm walking with my body, it's not going up, it's just staying in that place. Okay, sometimes I don't just like when the dress is too over hourglass, you know, I don't like it. I want to breathe also as well, and I'm loving it. This cut right here isn't mine that much. I need to be secure, I need to look put together, classic, I always say. And yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. And I love the fact that it's not too short. It has a slit at the hand area as well. So yeah, and as you can see, it's exactly on my knee, it's not above my knee, it's just drop on my knee, and which I find super interesting. As you can see, Guys, voila. What are you thinking? What are we not thinking? What are we commenting? Okay, so this is the second dress. This one is from OVS and it's size small, and it was $29.99. And yeah, I'm loving this black dress. Reason being, it has a little bit of ruche at the front and at the back area as well. As you can see, it really brings out your figure, shows out your figure, how you look like, you know what I mean. And it's a meshed material, and it also has a ruche at the hand, which is super pretty. What more do you want, guys? I got this dress, I think it was December or January if I'm not mistaken. The shop was closed ending of March, but I got it January. Super beautiful. I'm loving the fit, although of lately I've not been really into black things like that I used to, because my vibe changed once in a while. I'm a chameleon, okay? So what do you guys think? I'm loving it, so I decided to go for another wig, as you can see. So yeah, let me turn around so you guys can tell me what you think. And it also has a lining inside. Don't worry about that, you're gonna see nothing. It's mesh material, super soft. I love it. You can go wrong. Feels super soft on my skin, guys. Wow. What are you thinking? Why are you not thinking? Why are you not thinking? Why are you not thinking? I don't really know where to wear this to. Don't ask me, I don't really know. I also love the neck. As you can see, it's round, but still you can still show a little bit of your neck. It's not a turtleneck, it's a round, beautiful, comfortable neck. Okay, and I also love the fact that the hand is super long. I can't remove it because I can't do this now because I have my bracelets. As you can see this. Anyway, let me not spoil it. But all the same, I love it. Super long, and it kind of feel warm. It kind of feel warm, guys. Let me just put myself together and explain better to you. It feels warm on my skin, which you can wear it in spring, evening, going out, throw on a denim jacket, your Gucci. You don't need to bother that much. But if you want, you can still go out on spring like this. For summer, I believe this is going to be too warm for my life. In summer, wearing black is not really a good advice. It's not recommendable from me to you. You can do what you want, what makes you happy, baby girls, how we just stay. Okay, so yeah. I hope you guys can see it properly. I can go further. I can go to the wall. So this is the place I can go to. Okay, so yeah, I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Of course, it's hugging my body. It's hugging my body. Voila, this is the third outfit, the third item. Voila, what are you thinking? This is making me feel like a boss lady. You know what I mean? I'm a boss up lady. What are we thinking? What are we commenting? What are we not saying? This is one of my favorite. This one is my favorite. Okay, let's try the last one, then you can judge, then you can comment. All right, but I'm going to tell you this is my favorite. All right, wow, super beautiful, guys. I think I lost 2 kilos. Okay, before when I got it, it was super snuggy that you can see everything. You can still see everything now, but not like when I just first received it. It's gorgeous. This is from SHEIN. It's size extra small. It's extra small, and for the price, I'm going to leave it down below. All right, it was super affordable. All right, and it has a slit at the back, and the material feels very comfortable on the skin as well. My skin is not too soft material. It's a little bit strong material, which is okay, and it has a lot of stretch to it. It has a lot of stretch, and I love this puff hand details going on the dress. It makes it look super elegant, classic, look put together. You know, sometimes elegance can also be classic, but I believe there are two different words, elegant and classic. So it's a little bit elegant at the same time, classic-ish vibe is attached to this dress, and it has a strap. As you can see, the strap is super long, so if you want, you can also use another strap, belts if you want. Do what makes you happy, baby girl. That was mama teaching you all the time, okay? And it has these beautiful cuts as well. The only critique I have about this dress, let me be real, let me speak out of tea, okay? My honest opinion, okay? The cut is okay. My boobs, they are not large, they're just normal boobs, okay? So it's, you know, I had to always cover. I don't like open too much. I show a little bit of cleavage. It's okay, a little bit of fantasy. Don't show to the world. The nipples or the waist, no, we don't do that here, okay? But I'm going to be using a double sellotape if I want to wear this dress, maybe to the church or maybe outside. I don't know if it is going to be church, nowhere else, because it is a church vibe dress, classic, okay? So yeah, let me know what you think. It's a burgundy, beautiful as you can see, so you can always go ahead and drop it, but I think it has no fitting like this. Just make a little bit of puff, a little bit of situation, juicy, you know what I mean? So yeah, and it's beautiful. So I decided to wear this wig because it's perfect. Red and black always go together. Burgundy, not red, baby girl. So let me turn around. As you can see, wow, it's crazy. As I've told you guys, it has a slip at the back. So yeah, just comfortable on the skin, and when I'm walking, it's not going up, it's also there when I'm making a step, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me know what you think. You see what I mean? I keep doing it. I don't like when I'm going out. When I go out, I want to be on point 24/7 period. So, you know, no adjustment. I want to feel comfortable in my outfit, so that is why I always want my outfit to be standing up out 24/7 period, okay? So yeah, let me know what you think. My favorite, yeah. Voila, this is the last but not the least, okay? When I first received this item, this was my favorite. I'm still loving it, it's still my favorite, but I think the red one is making me feel like a lady put together. This is making me feel like, you know, an angel. I'm going to get married. An angel. I'm married, okay? So I don't need second marriage. Okay. So what do you think? Is this jumpsuit right here? Wow, beautiful. Silky material, the cover, as you can see. Ooh. Man, baby girl, I'm waiting for you. I've been waiting for you all this while. Now you are here. Hug me, baby. And wow, what am I even singing? I don't know. So guys, I'm just showing you inside. At the back, it has this attached to it, so with that you don't really have a problem. So when you're sitting, I believe you have to raise this a little bit and sit. If not, when you sit on top, standing up, it can be a little bit stronger, darlings. I'm just telling you, okay? And it has this kind of mesh at the cleavage area. It's a meshed see-through material, and which is okay. When I'm going to wear this jumpsuit right here, I'm going to be pairing with the bra. I'm going to use it to, the bra I'm going to wear it with, it's going to be skin, which is milk. Guys, I'm loving it. As you can see, super long. It's really long. When I'm walking, it's going on the floor. It's going on the floor, which is super beautiful, and it's super flowy. And the jumpsuit, the trouser inside, it has a little bit of stretch, and this was size small, if I'm not mistaken. And I love the fact that it also has this kind of detail belts going on. It's attached to it, you can remove it, and it has a zipper at the back. It has a zip at the back, so you just have to zip it. So like this, you wear it, and it has a little bit of shoulder pads. As you can see, it has a shoulder pads. I love the neck. I love the neck details going on. I just love the combination. When I'm standing, if I don't really want to open it, you hardly tell if it's a jumpsuit or not. I have something like this similar. It's from Fashion Nova, super beautiful. I'm going to leave the picture right here so you can see what I mean. Okay, I was really into jumpsuit 2-3 years ago, but for now my vibe is changing. I'm growing older, seriously. Anyways, it's a basic true. Okay, I'm still loving jumpsuit, but I just feel that it's a lot of work. Okay, jumpsuits specially made for my body. Okay, but when I want to go to the restroom, when I'm outside, I just have to pull over again, and my jumpsuit is on the floor in the toilet. I don't like it. Ooh, irritating now. So yeah, it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite? Okay, so that completes this try on random trial haul. I hope you guys enjoy it as I did. It was fun showing you the item that I got from different brands. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to do you as I always say, stay pretty and stay blessed. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Take care of this. Ciao. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care. Ciao.